Hi there, my name's Andrew Schneider with TIDAL Professional Products. Today, we're going to go through a quick video of our new misting tip. When you receive your mosquito misting tip, it's going to come in a beautiful branded box like so. Be sure to read the different sides of the box as it tells you how the product works, which we'll briefly go through today, as well as some features and where you might want to be using this mosquito misting tip. Opening up the box, the first item is a quick start guide. You're going to receive the nozzle body itself. It has the straight quick connect on it. However, we do also provide an elbowed quick connect if you prefer to spray on a 45-degree angle. To put that on, you're just removing the straight nozzle and putting the elbowed one on. Next up, we provide another package of orange tips. These are for use with our 2.5 gallon Wave backpack sprayer. Already installed on the unit are yellow tips, and this is for the use with our Surge 4 gallon backpack sprayer. Next up, I just quickly want to go through how this product is assembled. As I showed you earlier, you're picking one of the two quick connects to install into the nozzle body. You are installing the yellow tips with the green gasket. So to correctly do that, you're taking the blue cap, putting the yellow nozzle or tip into the tip cap, and then you're taking your gasket to seal up the tip. Once you've done that, and ensuring that you have your filter already installed on one of the three heads in which you're installing this tip onto, turn it on. Be sure not to over tighten the nozzle. You want to ensure that it's just nice and snug. Next up, I want to talk to you quickly about the filter. So under each of these three tips, you have a filter. This is to catch any debris from reaching the end of your tip. As a rule of thumb, you should be cleaning this daily. One thing I want to note about the filter is there is a gasket located on the underside. You want to make sure that this gasket is in good working order, as this is what seals to the nozzle body. So putting that back in, just a quarter turn past snug. Last up, I want to mention one other gasket. Located on the inbound side of the nozzle is a green gasket. Again, you can use a screwdriver or a flathead just to pull that out if you see that it's a little worn out. If you do start to see any leaking coming out of this area here, it's going to be because of that gasket. The last thing that I want to mention about this product before we close is that it's really great for mosquito and fly applications, as well as fungicide treatments on turf and ornamental plants. With that, we've successfully gone through our new TIDAL misting tip. For more information, you can visit us at www.tidalprofessionalproducts.com or give us a call at 1-800-367-4015. Thank you.